Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. So I thought I'll give you guys a quick midday update. Usually I don't do videos this time of the day. Usually it's early in the morning before the market actually opens. But there's basically breaking news here on NEO, guys. Look, take a look at my screen, guys. So remember I told you 2 weeks ago that NEO has been on a downward. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger. Has been on a downward trend for the past 2 years. I drew this trend line 2 years ago. Look at that. Now, finally, as you can see, I told you guys that if NEO breaks the $12, that will push them above this downward trend line. So based on this, my expectation now is for more interest to start coming into the stock. NEO, as I said before, NEO, the company itself is great in terms of where it's coming from, in terms of what it's doing now, in terms of, most importantly, the backing from the Chinese government. I don't know if you guys recall, but when NEO back at this level was around $2-3, they were basically they had some financial difficulties, and they got a bailout from the Chinese government at around $3-4, and I started buying NEO at $5. But NEO has run up to $66, almost $67, but it has been on a downward trend for the past 2 years, guys. So look at this. NEO has tested the resistance maybe about 3 times, tested it at 67, 55 thereabout, 44, and has been testing the resistance all this time and coming all the way down. So NEO has finally, I would say, broken through this downward trend line. And usually with all stocks usually retest the top. And that's what I call a gap fill. So what we want to see NEO do here now is maintain this $12 and push away from this downward trend, in terms of, even if it consolidates for the next couple of days, whatever, we want to see it start giving us some higher lows and then retest this old support here, which is the new resistance at $14. Once it gets above that, guys, you know what, NEO will be on its way. So not financial advice, but I have been loading up on NEO from way back. So since this little move, I actually have set some buy orders to start loading more on NEO. So as I said, not financial advice, but just telling you as I see it, guys. So the market on a whole seems like we are on a upward, movement in terms of the S&P. So I would say this is all good news, and in the opening of the Chinese economy. So, we can just basically look forward to what NEO would do next, guys. So that's just a quick one, just to let you know where I stand with regards to NEO. All right, take care, guys. And as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. I don't know if you guys have been in NEO, but I have always been in NEO from day one. Take care, guys.